Students, yesterday we have completed classification of solutions and today's topic is concentration terms. First, let us know about what is concentration, which is also called as strength or concentration. So, concentration is quantity of solute present in definite quantity of the solution relative to the solvent. So, quantity of solute which is present in a solution relative to the solvent, that is known as concentration. So, you know about two components which are present in solution, one is solute and another one is solvent. So, concentration depends upon the quantity of solute that is present in the solution. Okay? So, concentration is the quantity of solute present in definite quantity of solution relative to the solvent is known as concentration of solution, and this is also called as strength of the solution. Okay? So, concentration of the solution or strength of the solution. Okay? So, mainly concentration of the solution depends upon the quantity of solute. So, here concentration is strength. So, strength, we can define strength. So, strength is number of grams of solute dissolved per liter of the solution. Okay? So, strength also depends upon the quantity of solute. So, number of grams of solute in grams, which is present per liter of the solution. So, volume of the solution is liter. So, number of grams of solute present in that indicates the strength of that solution. Okay? So, units of strength. So, that is expressed in grams per liter. Then we can calculate strength by using equivalent weight and also normality. So, strength, so that is equal to equivalent weight into normality. Okay? Equivalent weight into normality. All these are important formulas. Strength is equal to equivalent weight into normality. Okay? Then here concentration mainly depends upon quantity of solute. If solution having lesser quantity of solute in it, that solution is called as dilute solution. If solution having excess quantity of solute in it, that is called as concentrated solution. Okay? So, basing upon the quantity of solute, two types of solutions are there. One is dilute solution and another one is concentrated solution. Okay? So, first coming to dilute solution. What is dilute solution? So, dilute solution is solution containing smaller quantity of solute compared to that of solvent. Okay? Solution having smaller quantity of solute compared to that of solvent is called dilute solution. Okay, so dilute solution having smaller quantity of solute in it. Next, concentrated solution. Concentrated solution. So concentrated solution, it contains excess of solute in it. So solution which contains excess of solute in definite quantity of solution, that is called concentrated solution. Okay, so solution contain excess of solute in a definite quantity of solution is called concentrated solution. Okay, so two types of solution depending upon the quantity of solute. If solute is lesser quantity, that is dilute solution. If solute is excess, that is concentrated solution. Then standard solution. Standard solution. So standard solution is solution whose concentration is known. Okay, so known concentrated solution, that is called as standard solution. So solution whose concentration is known is called standard solution. Okay, then here we can determine the concentration of the solution with the quantity of solute in it. So quantity, that is in terms of weight of the solute. Okay, so weight of the substance, that can be calculated by using density. Okay, so density is weight of 1 milliliter of a solution in grams, that is called density. Okay, so density is weight of 1 milliliter of solution in grams. Weight of 1 milliliter of solution in grams is called density. So units of density, grams per ml or grams per liter. We can express in grams per ml or grams per liter. Okay, so density formula. So density is equal to mass by volume. So weight by volume. Okay, so density, D is density, W is weight and V is volume. Okay, so from this we can calculate weight. So weight is equal to density into volume. Okay, weight is nothing but quantity. Okay, so quantity of the solution. We can calculate quantity of the solution by using density and also volume. Okay, then ratio between density of a solution and density of water, that is called relative density. Okay, so relative density, which is also called as specific gravity of solution. Relative density or specific gravity. Specific gravity of solution. This is ratio between density of the solution and density of water. Okay. So, ratio between density of solution and density of water is known as relative density or specific gravity. Okay. So, this is ratio, that is why no units. Okay. For this, no units. So, specific gravity. So, that is equal to density of solution by density of water.